I'm a builder of understanding in a world overloaded with information but starving for wisdom. I studied reality directly. I pay attention. I learn faster. I adapt faster. And I take responsibility for my results. I don't outsource my thinking to institutions. I test ideas against life, against people, and against outcomes. Because of we live in a time where degrees are common but clarity is rare, where people are highly qualified on paper yet emotionally unregulated, financially fragile, and morally confused. So in this era, credentials no longer guarantee relevance. The world is rewarding those who can think critically, communicate clearly, learn continuously, and solve real problems. I'm not defined by a classroom I sat in. I'm defined by the problems I can solve, the discipline I live by, and the impact I create. And in a collapsing system, I choose competence over credentials and growth over validation because of we are watching old systems lose credibility, education, leadership, media, even religion. Titles are losing authority. Performance is becoming the new proof. And I'm part of the generation that learns in real time, builds in uncertainty, and stands on accountability rather than status. So people don't actually respect degrees. They respect clarity, confidence, consistency, and results. Because of what? A certificate explains where you have been, but character and competence proves who you are. So I am someone who is becoming dangerous in the best way, disciplined, aware, and useful in a chaotic world.